All right, I'm going to work on Notion to Claude Code so that I can just have Claude create my Notion documents. So I have this project I'm trying to work on. So basically, I need to run MCP. So MP, I'm going to say it. So basically, obviously, you're going to go into here, settings, want to do that as a Claude. Exit, and oh, okay. So exit, okay, and dash dash resume and Claude. That. So let's do MC and Notion authenticate. Trust. Okay, we're done. So I just ran this command. You can always just ask Claude like what connected. Create a test doc called hello world. Boom. Now let's see. Okay, so it did it. So let's check here. Hello world. Boom, there it is. Beautiful. That's how you use Notion to Claude via just like that.